Hello everyone, my name is Miki. This is I'm Not Barista. So today I'm going to show you how to clean the MOMENTEM dual-burr coffee hand grinder. So first we have this adjustable crank, so you can remove the knob, everything. You can quickly disassemble this. You can change the knob. It's very simple. And here is the magic catch cup. In this version I didn't really use the built-in shifter, so you cannot really see it, but in the final production version you will have it. And next we will remove the second burr set. So this is our quick locking system. As you can see, you can simply disassemble it with one simple pull and then clean it with the brush. So now you see this is the first burr set. We can remove it as well. So the first burr set, it's a smaller size burr, and its main purpose is to pre-grinding your coffee, to break whole coffee beans into smaller pieces. And the rest is just the unit body, just grind it itself. Alright, so let's take a look how we can disassemble the second burr set. And then there's locking plates. You can take off the second burr. As you can see, it looks a little bit different from the regular conical burr that you see in the market because we don't really need it to grind super coarse. And voila, that's everything. The final version may be a little bit different from this one because this is still a prototype and we are doing our best to make a perfect grinder, which means we will make some proper updates here and there. But we really love this simple locking system. You can take out burr set just with one pull. We put everything back. The bearings, the axle, this is the second part. So how it works, actually they're connected in the middle part. You put it back. More small parts. You put a spring back and a burr, of course. So see, in this version we have one locking hole on the burr, and we'll make some changes. So for sure we are going to use 3 holes. And then this is the catch cup. Make sure you clean everything nicely before you put them back. and then we put the second burr set back together, and now it's one piece. If you guys have any questions about Momentum Grinder, let us know in the comment section below, and please support us on Indiegogo. You can pre-order directly on our website. So thank you so much for support, and I will see you guys soon.